Here we have the gorgeous Land Rover Range Rover Autobiography. This vehicle has a 3-litre D350 diesel engine alongside an 8-speed automatic transmission. This particular model comes in the gorgeous Carpathian grey and has some fantastic spec, including these LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, 22-inch alloy wheels with a gloss black finish, and even privacy glass to finish off its sleek exterior. Heading to the rear of the vehicle, as you can see, you have an electronically powered tailgate. Inside you have enough storage space for all of your personal items, 2 large suitcases or even a set of golf clubs. You do, however, have the option to fold your rear seats for further capacity. Hopping into the back of the vehicle, in the centre you'll find your rear climate control. You have Meridian Sound System with the highest quality listening experience. In here are your beautifully designed rear executive class seats with beneficial ISOFIX points and even a central armrest with fixed twin cup holders, a storage space and a digital screen with multiple options. Heading into the front, you have the same interior environment continue. Now panning towards your 24-way heated and cooled massage memory front seats for maximum comfort. You gain the additional benefit of a generously sized sliding panoramic sunroof, idyllic for summer days, a clear sight interior rear view mirror to ensure you're always aware of your surroundings. On your driver's side door, you'll find your electrically powered wing mirrors and windows, along with your electric seat adjustments and memory seat function, ensuring every journey can be as comfortable as the last one you took. Stylish full leather steering wheel offers your phone book to make and take those hands-free calls, voice recognition system, lane assist, speed limiter and even a heated steering wheel. You can adjust the settings on your interactive driver display just above, and as you'll see, there's multiple sections with a variety of drop-downs to suit your personal preference. Display, you're up to date with the latest infotainment features such as your 3D surround camera system, park assist for entering or exiting any bays, and much more. You can individually change the temperature within the cabin for both driver and passengers, or opt to sync this as a pair. Direction of airflow, and of course adjust the airflow setting itself. You can also find your heated and cooled seating, along with your massage function, with multiple options, again individually adjustable for both driver and passenger. This model does also come with terrain response, with a variety of different functions, making this vehicle perfect for any driving conditions you may encounter.